Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of OPPO Reno 7 Pro 5G smartphone. So here it is. So now quickly open it up. Okay, so here if we open this black box, in top we get this small black box, and if we see inside, so here you can see, here we get the here we get this injector pen, and here's some reading manuals and warranty card, and here's the transparent back case over there. Okay, it is very light. Okay, now keep this aside, and guys, you can see here's the phone itself over there. You can see, okay, you can see OPPO Reno 7 Pro 5G, and here's the highlighted feature: flagship portrait camera system, portrait mode, bokeh flare, portrait video, and 65-watt super book fast charge. Okay, so now we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we get the USB type C to type A cable, and guys, this is the 65-watt superbook fast charge you get in the box. Okay, so that's all we get. So here you can see, here's the phone itself. Now quickly remove its plastic cover. Okay, so here you can see, guys, here's the phone, and if we talk about the thickness, it is only 7.45 mm. The weight of this phone is only 180 gram. And if we talk about the design, here you can see it is OPPO says that it is aircraft grade shooting star design. You can see the shooting star design over there, which is looking really good. Here you can see it has glass back and metal frame. Here you can see, yep, here you can see design looks really great. Here you can see, and guys, on camera, here you can see first time it is using, yes, first time using wear resistant coating ceramic and metal to protect the cameras. You can see, and if we talk about, you can see on corners, here we on corners on the cameras, if you charge the phone, and if you get the call and notification, that will light. So guys, you can see the phone, yep, the phone looks really great. You can see it has OPPO glow design with combined LDI technology. Yes, you can see phone looks great. Okay, and now if we talk about its physical overview, so in top you can see we get the secondary microphone, and on this side you can see on the here you can see in a different accent we get the power on off key. And if we talk about the bottom, here we get the main speaker, USB type C port, here's the main microphone, and guys, this is the SIM tray over there on bottom. So now quickly eject it. Okay, so here we get only dual SIM. No micro SD card support over there. You can insert 2 nano SIM only. Okay, and guys, here we get the volume up and down key. Okay, and if we talk about the back, here you can see, guys, on back here you can see it has IMX 766 50 megapixel rear camera with dual HDR and color temperature sensor. Yes, and if we talk about the camera, it receives 85% more light due to large photosensitive area. And you can see it also has a ultra night video, live HDR, and AI highlight video mode. You can see, yep, here's our large camera lenses over there. Here you get the 50 megapixel camera, this is the 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and this is the 2 megapixel macro camera over there with LED flash. And here you can see AI portrait camera over there. And if we talk about the front, yep, it has 6.5 inches full HD plus AMOLED display with 90 Hz high refresh rate, Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and HDR10 plus support. Yes, and if we talk about its peak brightness, it supports 920 nits peak brightness. So you can see, and guys, here you can see it has here it has world first IMX 709 flagship front camera, yep, of 32 megapixel with RGBW, dual HDR, and smart wide angle. which deliver flagship imaging and even in low light record video in a vibrant details. And if we talk about the RGBW, it's yeah, up to 60% amount of light received and 35% get the noise reduction. And it has first ever dual HDR which stops overexposure in light filled areas. Okay, so you can see, yeah, the phone looks really good. You can see it as compact phone. You can see I can, yep, you can easily handle it with one hand. You can see really compact phone, sleek and lightweight. You can see looks really good. Here you can see. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has MediaTek Dimensity 1200 Max 5G 6nm octa-core processor with ARM G77 MC9 GPU. It has 6.5 inches Full HD plus AMOLED display with 90Hz high refresh rate, Gorilla Glass 5 protection, HDR10 plus support, and 920 nits peak brightness. It has a dual nano SIM. It has 256 12GB internal storage which supports UFS 3.1 speed. It has triple rear camera, 50 megapixel f1.8 aperture with Sony IMX766 sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel with macro camera. It has world's first IMX709 flagship front camera of 32 megapixel with f2.4 aperture. And it has 4500 mAh battery which supports 65 watt fast charging and also supports reverse charging. And OPPO says that it charge the phone 100% in 31 minutes. And yep, it also says that 5 minutes charge gives you 4 hours of video playback. And guys, it has ColorOS 12 based on Android 11 and it has in-display fingerprint and face unlock for a much better security. So as you can see, I have set up the device and this is the main screen of OPPO Reno 7 Pro 5G smartphone. Okay, if we slide here, you can see we get the Google feedback, and if we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer. And if we slide from top, so here we get the notification panel with helpful quick settings, and here we get the brightness adjustment. Guys, it has 920, yes, it has 920 nits of peak brightness. You can see if we talk about the viewing angle, here you can see you get the really good viewing angle. You can see it has vibrant display. Okay, and this is the brightness adjustment. You can easily adjust the brightness. So as you can see, if we talk about its UI, you can see it runs really smooth. You can see guys, yep, the UI running really smooth. You can see, yep, it has 90 Hz of high refresh rate, yep, which give you smooth animations and operation. You can see the UI running really smooth. You can see it running really smooth. Okay, so now if we go in settings, quickly go to about device. So here you can see out of 256 GB you get here you can see phone uses 26.9 GB. And here if we go here, we get the more information, and here the clean feature is also available. And you can see the processor, it has a Dimensity 1200 Max 6nm octa-core processor. Yes, it has flagship AI chipset that increase clarity of selfies and enhance HDR effects when playing normal videos. It has 1+3+4 architecture and integrated 5G SoC. Yep. And if we talk about the RAM, it has 12 GB RAM plus for multitask it has up to 7 GB RAM expansion over there. You can see you can set up to 5, 3 and 7. It has up to 7 GB RAM expansion for better smoother multitask operation. And you can see the ColorOS version model, it is a ColorOS version. If we talk about the ColorOS version, it is running on version 12, and here's the Android version 12. Here you can see latest Android version 12. And here if we talk about the Android security update, it is of January 5, 2022. Okay, so now quickly go back, and if we see here guys, if we talk about the features, you can see it has a breathing light, emoji, flagship windows, quick launch, and add system cloners like features available. And if we talk about its sensor, it has geomagnetic, color, temperature, proximity, accelerometer, gravity, pedometer, gyroscope, and optical sensor. Yep, all type of sensors are available in this, and the digital compass is also available. And now, if we talk about its camera, guys, here are some shots I took with OPPO Reno 7 Pro 5G smartphones in different lighting conditions with different modes. And if we talk about its in-display fingerprint and face unlock performance, now quickly check this out. If we talk about the in-display fingerprint, so here you can see the animation pops out. Up put the finger and it's unlocked. You can see up put, okay, up put, okay. You need to press like this to unlock the phone. You can see it need improvement. You can see up put, and you can see. Okay, guys, in-display fingerprint need improvement. Here you can see. Just press and hold it to unlock the phone. You can just press and hold it to unlock the phone, so it needs improvement. And if we talk about the face unlock performance, let's check this out. I'm not seeing, I see, and it unlocked the phone. Okay, now test it many time. I see, and it unlocked the phone. Okay, now phone look at me. Okay, so guys, the face unlock, you can see the face unlock is really very fast and responsive. You can see I see, and it quickly unlock the phone. You can see, yep, really fast. You can see super fast performance. You can see I see, and it quickly unlock the phone. You can see I'm not seeing, I see, and it quickly unlock the phone. So guys, this is the unboxing of OPPO Reno 7 Pro 5G smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.